ready to go to the village, so let's load up the car really quick. I'm not gonna make that driving scene, so it's just gonna be me there. What you're gonna see now is a few pulls that I was doing with Bodie. Bodie and Ian, those guys helped me so much. We didn't quite tune the car, something is off. It reaches 4,500 RPM and it doesn't go over. So we figured some stuff out, but as you see here, you're gonna see some pulls and it kind of sounds great. And man, just check it out. And a little more tuning. So one had the computer and I was driving, and we would go around and change fueling and tracking AFR, timing and all that stuff. So car's much better. Check it out. Just out of curiosity now, though, this is the log that we get, and this is how we know how we are doing, what's happening. If you see something obvious on this log, please let me know. As far as I've seen, we are maxing out the injector's duty cycle, which I put 90%, but something is wrong. Could be wrong on my configuration, could be wrong on anything. I doubt that in 10 psi at 4,500 RPM would max out the... I'm using IS300 injectors, which are the OEM. So 250, yes, I need to replace, I am going to. But you know, at least I want to tune a little bit. So I'm using Tuner Studio, and yeah, so this is what I have so far. This yellow here is air fuel ratio, so you see it's all over the place, but if you get here, we have between 9.7 and here 12, which is pretty conservative. It's pretty good. It's very rich, so we need to enrich up this guy here. I mean, take some gas out of here, but this is the point where we reach 41,000 RPM and it dies out, right? It starts crackling. So you see the red one is the KPA. So the KPA here we reach where, oh no, this is the map. So we are 139. I have here in PSI 5.5 PSI, and then it seems like it goes down a little bit, but then it goes up 6, 7, 8, and we still reach like almost 9 PSI. 14 degrees advanced, and 123 V, and you see everything goes up. You see the RPM goes up, goes smooth, but then kind of smooth. I need to smooth it out, this parts here, and then it dies out. And what I found today, it was this here, 90% duty cycle. And this should not be 90% duty cycle. I mean, it could be 90% duty cycle, but then maybe my timing is incorrect, so I need to change that. I'm gonna play with that a little bit. I need to buy new injectors anyway, but I want to understand what's happening before going forward on anything. So I just want to show this a little bit because my videos are so behind. I'm scheduling the videos every 2 days, but still like almost a month of videos until we reach the car running, and the car is running already. So I just want to tease you guys, you know, a little bit and show that this is actually running. I had some problems along the way. Just a little short explanation. Those things I bought here that were from the this flexible hose, do not use that thing, this thing here. throw that on the trash and just use the hose, but throw this on the trash and buy silicone hose, cut it, and make your joints. That's gonna work like a charm. So after I changed that, car is running perfectly. I also had problems with the temperature sensor, but anyway, this is subject for another video. This is so quick. I just want to show you guys that it worked. Thanks for all of you that are sticking around, and stick around more because there's more. I'm gonna have all the tuning that I've done. If I pay someone, of course I'm gonna respect and not post the whole thing, but whatever I tune myself, I'm going to share with you guys how I did it, how I'm gonna get there, and so you guys can kind of follow the process at your own risk, because I'm taking my risk. If I blow my engine, I can just cry a little bit and rebuild it, but you know, if you blow your engine, I don't want to be blamed for it, because I'm not doing it. I don't know your engine, I don't know what you put inside, and I'm not a mechanic, I'm not a tuner. So stick around. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out my website, www.carmodsgarage.com, and most important, don't forget to leave a little comment here if you know what's happening. If you can see that little log and, you know, say, dude, this is wrong, or why don't you put this, or whatever, just let me know. I'll be glad to hear that. I'll check whatever you guys say, and I'll of course decide if I'm gonna do or not. But thanking you ahead, I appreciate your help already. Don't forget to leave that little like button, and I'll see you on the next video.